Hi guys, this is Amar and you are watching Artbox Studio, and today we are back with another unboxing, and this time we have a web camera by Fingers. A lot of you had asked me about the best budget webcam and I thought of getting one of these. Talking about the web camera, the first thing that comes to your mind is the Logitech. The Logitech C270 and C310 are the best selling webcams in this segment, but again if you see, both of those are a 720p web camera. If you had to buy 1080p camera in Logitech, that cost you around 10,000, and obviously I didn't wanted to spend that much. But there are few brands which offers you a 1080p camera under 2000 range, so we thought let's try one of those. Instead of buying this online, what I did was I just walked into few stores near me, and what I found was this Fingers 1080p webcam, which is like, if you see the price over here on the box, it says 2,999. You can easily get this on Amazon at around 2500 or something, but even you can get it around 2000 if you have any sales going on, but in the shop I actually got this in 1800. So I would recommend, if you want to buy something like this, I would recommend you to just walk into a store nearby, and you could bargain and get this around 1800 or something. So in this budget segment under 2000, there are few brands that offers you like a 1080p web camera. One of those is Fingers, another I think Zebronics, and there are few other brands which offers you a 1080p camera under 2000. I thought of picking up this, and let's see how this works. So without any delay, let's start with the unboxing. So very quickly, let us see what do we get in the box. So this is the webcam, as you can see, Fingers, quite a big one. Let me remove this. Okay, so it's a wired cam. Okay, so this is how the first look is. You get a protecting cover over here. You do get a screw hole over here if you want to mount it somewhere on a tripod or something, and then of course the wire. It's a USB wire. You can connect it to the USB port. Let me keep it aside and show you what else in the box. A thank you card and a quick start guide. Okay, it's pretty simple to install it. You just have to plug and play. I don't think there is any drivers needed. I will definitely show you the results of this webcam once I plug this in my computer or laptop. So that was it, guys. This is the first impression. As you can look, the wire quality looks decent. It's not that low quality for a price range. I can see it's a good quality, all plastic made, but again it depends on how good video quality it gives out. So very soon what we'll do is we'll just plug in this into the computer and I'll show you the results of this. So let's check it out. So guys, this is how the video recording looks in the Fingers webcam. I am now live on a call using Microsoft Teams. You can check it out in Google Meet or any other softwares, but I just feel everywhere the results are different. So right now I am showing it to you on Microsoft Teams and I am recording my screen. So this is the result, guys, and the audio that you can hear is also been recorded using the Fingers webcam. I am not using any external mic over here. So this is the result. And there is no other light source, that's just a window beside me, which you can see the light on my face. And so yeah, this is the normal day lighting. I hope with this you must have got a idea about how this Fingers webcam works. So guys, that was the unboxing and review video of the Fingers 1080p webcam. I hope you have got an idea about the quality of this webcam. Please do like this video and share it with your friends in case anybody is planning to buy a webcam. If you have still not subscribed, please do subscribe to the Artbox Studio channel. We do a lot of unboxing over here, and there are a lot more stuff which is about to come soon. So see you until the next video. Till then, stay tuned.